Half a day, good morning.
Good morning po.
It's a Saturday morning again. Andito po tayo sa Micronesia Mall. Welcome back sa aming channel, Half a Day Mabuhay. Papasok po tayo sa loob ng Micronesia Mall mamaya para po umattend ng kanilang 36th year anniversary. Today, August 10, Saturday. So, anong oras ang kanilang event?
12 to 3 ng hapon.
Oo. So, marami po silang naka-line up na events. Merong ribbon cutting ceremony, merong tower lighting ceremony, may mga live entertainment, may paraffle sila. Tatlong grand prizes. Yung round trip ticket from Guam to Manila, courtesy of Philippine Airlines, Goodwind Travel. So every hour daw yan, 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m, i-draw nila yung winner. So free naman daw po yon. Anybody can register pero must be present to win. So magandang ano po yan, magandang panghatak po ng mga mga tao para po mamasyal sa Micronesia Mall for today's event. So isa pong pinaka highlight din ng kanilang celebration for today is yung Tower for Humanity. So samahan niyo po kami.
Sama lang po kayo para makita niyo po yung loob ng pagtatayo nila ng
Tower for Humanity.
Oo.
Tower. So replica po 'yon ng New York Empire State Building. Excited din po kami kasi sabi nga nila made of 75,000 timber logs.
75,000 timber log pieces.
Pieces,
75,000 pieces.
Oo.
Ito, liliit po yun.
Oo.
Ang hirap po itayo yun.
So makikita po natin mamaya, i-share din po namin sa inyo yan. Napakaganda ng nila ngayon, celebration. And it's built for a cause talaga. So samahan niyo po kami mga kaham.
Sama lang po kayo.
Sabay-sabay po nating tignan ang kanilang i-witness, i-attend ang kanilang celebration for today's celebration. Samahan niyo po kami mga kaham.
Sama lang po.
Please click like and subscribe po sa aming channel, Half a Day Mabuhay. Thank you for your support. Thank you mga kaham. Yan ang ticket.
36th anniversary on this special occasion, we take this opportunity to honor and celebrate the countless years of warm hospitality and retail excellence that have made Lake Initial a central hub for our island's families and visitors to establish an experience that will last a lifetime. Your dedication to providing an exceptional shopping experience is not only a testament to your commitment to bolstering our local economy, providing jobs for our people, but also provides a welcoming environment. Cheers to our Lake Initial! Viva! Viva Santo Guam! Viva! And viva Landon and Brandon! What a great thing, huh? Viva! These guys don't only do weather for us, but they do this. Where do you find the time? Oh wait, our weather is fine now. Thank you, and Sidus Malsi.
Thank you so much, guys. Wow, that's dancing. That was awesome. Thanks, guys. That was a true experience. Thanks, guys.
Sila yang dalawa.
Over the last week, was assembled these 95,000 dogs. This is our tallest tower and our largest. So we exceeded our world record by about 5 feet. That's also 21,000 blocks, but we did not go for an official world record on this tower. We did it for a good cause. But we could not have done it without our tower team, Brian, Shirley, Brandon's wife, Adrian, and Janet. So give them a round of applause. And so our tower team, we've been a very tight core group of folks. Several dozen volunteers that helped us block some 70 You will see some more hits coming up. Round of applause one more time, guys. Power for Humanity. All right, you heard the boys. They've got more plans, so pay attention. Talk them all over the place on social media and see where they'll be building up next. Speaking of next, I'd like to welcome somebody give remarks on behalf of the Elysian team here at the Mike Beach Mall, as we mentioned, celebrating 36 years. Please welcome our Chief Information Officer, Mr. Jonathan Jojo Chen. Thank you, madam. Thank you. Okay. I would like to acknowledge the presence of our honorable speaker, Teresa Yan, our honorable mayor, Rita Salario, our honorable Philippine General, to celebrate our 36th year, the Magnificent has partnered with New Brother Brandon and London United. The Tower of Humanity in building the largest and tallest toy infrastructure at 31 feet. As you can see, this is a stunning replica of New York City's Empire State Building. This structure has now surpassed their previous Guinness World Record height of 26 feet. We have selected three non-profit organizations, namely Annie Shelter, Harvest House, and Victim Advocacy or WAYO. The mall has invited them here to raise awareness about their causes and assist them in collecting donations to the Sponsor initiative. You can still make a donation now, or through the QR code on their Instagram page. On August 8, 1988, when Micronesia Mall first opened its doors, it represented a bold vision for WAP's future. What began as an ambitious project has now become the heart of retail and social activity on our island. From those and visitors alike. Today, Micronesia Mall remains the largest shopping mall in the region. This mall has become a true community hub, a place where families gather, friends meet, and memories are made. The economic impact of Micronesia Mall cannot be overstated. As one of the largest private employers on the island, we have provided thousands of jobs to our community over the years. Moreover, by attracting both local and international brands, we have contributed significantly to Guam's reputation as a premier shopping destination to the Pacific. We have been privileged to host countless community events, from cultural celebrations to charity drives, school graduations, car giveaways, and our extremely exciting community mall ball. Speaking of car giveaways, on November 9th, we will be holding a shop line in Lincoln, where one more lucky shopper can win a brand new BMW X1 from AA, and 10 runners-up will each receive $350 product certificate from Philippine Travel for tickets to live in the land. Our journey has not always been smooth. We have faced challenges from economic downturn to global pandemic and with most recently Typhoon Laurel. Yet, with each obstacle, we have emerged stronger, more adaptable, and more committed to serving the community. The resilience reflects the Guamanian spirit, and the Micronesia Mall is honored to embody it. As we look to the future, we remain committed to growth and innovation. We are continuing working hard to enhance the shopping experience, bringing in new brands, creating cuisine, reflecting the rich cultural diversity of our island. New stores and choices will soon be opening at the mall, so keep an eye on our social media pages. Our success
success is intrinsically tied to the success of Guam, and we are dedicated to playing our part in the island's continued development. None of this would be possible without the dead foundation of our success. We also want to acknowledge the crucial partnership we have developed with the government, local businesses, and community organizations. Your support has been instrumental in making Micronesia Mall what it is today. In closing, as we celebrate 36 years, we are not just marking the passage of time. We are celebrating 36 years of community, of economic contribution, of shared experiences, and of being part of Guam's daily life in the days to come. Thank you all for being part of our journey. Viva Micronesia Mall! Viva Guam!
Alright, partners, that Sir Jojo was mentioning. Let's give a round of applause one more time for our Tower of Humanity team. Thank you so much. She's beautiful.
Micronesia Mall on its 36th anniversary and commending its employees, its partners, and its tenants for their continued service to Guam's visitors and island community.
kanina nandoon. Wow, so lucky. What the?
Next one, I'm gonna read it. Ticket number 615. Woo! I like that. Woo! 615. 2, 3. 223. Who's got it? Somebody there. Somebody ready to do it together.
Ayun siya.
Puro sa taas ah.
Oo, kaya nga.
Sa ticket.
Bumaba kasi tayo.
Oo, bakit?
We're gonna go around first again. 615, 223.
Bumaba kasi tayo eh. Mga tatanado, puro sa taas eh.
Now it's 4-5. Here she comes. Everybody clap for her. She's making the way. Clap for her. There she comes. Now the price is right. Get up there. Here we go.